Welcome to Papa's Workshop. One of the things that I really strive to do is to try to find different items that are going to work well in your shop. Well, one of the items that I've recently found are these two items right here. They're sold together as two of the charging blocks, or some people say the charging bricks. Now, I have a lot of devices that I use in the shop as well as in the house that require these type of charging blocks. It's not just the iPhones and the iPads that I use, but I also have a lot of tools that require the USB charging. And these little guys right here come in very, very handy. And quite frankly, I have them throughout the house and throughout the shop. Oftentimes, I will use this little power screwdriver to be able to use throughout the shop. And to be able to charge it, you have to have the USB, and oftentimes I will use the charging block with this setup. Just plug it in, be able to set it aside and charge it, and I can continue working on other projects at the time. Now granted, I do have a few outlets with the USB charging ports in it, but that's more of the exception than anything else. Here is the look at the item on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description below. And here's some of the key features that you're going to find with this charging block. Also in the shop, I have this power strip. And yes, although it does have two USB ports, I'm using one right now. But I also have the charging block that's plugged in because I oftentimes need more than just this to be able to charge the various tools. So these become very, very handy to have in the shop. The power bank that I use in the shop to be able to keep the cameras going oftentimes need to be charged, and I turn to these charging blocks to be able to do that. Now, all cameras are not equal. This is one of my granddaughter's little cameras, and it too needs a USB to be able to charge it. I had to charge this for her so that she could continue taking pictures. In my room with the 3D printers, I use the charging block every single day to be able to charge the iPad. And this works extremely well, and I love having them. Now, just to show you, on my side table, next to my chair that I do a lot of the computer work in, I do have the iPhone type of charging block. So I use those as well. And the other type that I use is this type that plugs in, that I have the USB ports there. Well, there you have it. I took you on a brief tour around my home to be able to show you all of the different charging blocks that I have and where they are. But that's still just the tip of the iceberg. I use these little charging blocks all the time with the various tools, and I have even more tools and different items that need to have these charging blocks. So I hope you'll take the opportunity to take a look at the Amazon site and maybe be able to pick up a few of these and solve some problems that you may have in your home. So again, thank you very much for watching this very short video. I look forward to seeing you real soon in the next video. So bye-bye.